The June 30 deadline today, given by South African anti-immigrant vigilant groups, March and Operation Redula marks a volatile escalation in an intensifying anti-foreigner sentiment, which has been sweeping across the country, poor urban townships and economic hubs, particularly in Gauteng, the Western Cape, and KwaZulu-Natal for months now. Sarabira mashikombranyo kwapangwa inachinzi June 30, economic desperation, poverty and state vulnerability in South Africa. That was subscribed like on the bell icon. The anti-immigrant protests are characterized by populism and inflammatory rhetoric with undercurrents of xenophobia, Afrophobia, and tribalism, dividing society and communities. March and other anti-immigrant movements blame foreigners for stealing South Africa's jobs, selling drugs, illegalities, and fueling crime, and straining social service delivery, as well as crowding out locals from opportunities and scarce resources. Although people generally agree that illegal migration is a huge problem in South Africa, it must be addressed through lawful means and policy interventions. Critics have debunked most of these claims, saying immigrants are not responsible for lack of jobs, crime, poor service delivery, and poverty in South Africa. Instead, immigrants in some cases create jobs opportunities for South Africans and make a positive contribution to the economy. Even on crime, they are not the root cause. Some of the problems facing South Africans are a result of their legacy of apartheid, structural rigidities, inequalities, and systematic governance failures, as well as corruption. Besides, immigration is a global phenomenon, not just a South African problem. Immigration in Africa is primarily intra-regional, with about 70 to 80% of African migration moving to neighboring countries within the continent. For instance, in ECOWAS, East African communities, Maghreb region, or Sadc, contrary to the false claim that everyone is going to South Africa. Tuma developments are pangwa ine. Recommend section made of any more to subscribe or like, on the bell icon.